Hello, this is Tonight on the Range. I just got done with the furnace and molds and then pressed and sized to 300 for this 30 caliber AEA with a 32-inch barrel I bought from Ben Tack, along with a Challenger 22 cal, which also I'm firing a 38 grain round in, which is working really nice. So this is 78 yards, and let's just see what happens. Again, I haven't sighted it in or anything, and that's a whole different set of rounds down there at 78 yards. Anyhow, so far I'm very impressed. I would suggest getting a shooting assist, like a trigger release assist for some older people or people who've had a long life of manual labor. Because it's already marked up there, I'm going to try for the shooter's left shoulder. So I'm not using the assist right now, but whoops, I think that was definitely my error. The first two were hole in hole, obviously, but and these are diabolos. I shoot slugs, so it's still not counting for my, my bouncing around went hole in hole. And overall, I gotta say, it's like a, oops, now the green dots got bumped off. Oops. Nice. Oh yeah, so I've shot 100 and some rounds with this tonight. Now I can tell I need the trigger assist. It's just like a $25 Amazon thing. And I'll shut up and try and hit this again. It's seeming to rise with the pressure drop. I went ahead and sized these to straighten out the skirts, and it's working. Oh, airball until that one. Anyhow, hey, I also keep meaning to say I'll zoom in to see the top hits. I mean, it was my own bad, and I didn't even sight it in for this. So there's the bolt and my. This is at 78 yards. And I gotta say, for me, how wobbly I am, and I still have my leg in a splint, and I have to wear it for a while longer. But anyhow, my point being is that this hot off the furnace stuff is working out really nicely, just for me just pushing it down through the sizer and cleaning up the skirt. Unfortunately, it's only a double cavity mold, and I'm not a big believer in selling diabolos anyhow, but I mean, these work. I'm not complaining at all. I mean, I can't even imagine when I get them into my Bogg death grip. But anyhow, if you're still watching, can you hit subscribe? I keep forgetting to ever say that, but thanks for watching.